Radicals. A radical expression is an expression that contains a radical. The expression of the radical sign is called the radicand. The number n in the crook of the radical sign is the index. The index gives the degree of the root. If there is no index, the degree is 2, which means square root. So I know you guys are used to square roots. So if I have, for example, the square root of 9. If there's no number there, which means it's a square root. We don't write a number there because it's assumed if there's no number, the root is, or the index is 2. If the nth root of a is a real number and m and n are positive integers, then m over nth power equals to the nth root of a to the nth power. So last week we were going over exponents. So now we're going to go back and forth from exponential form to radical form. This is very easy because we're not doing anything, we're not doing any math, we're just converting from exponential form to radical form. So if you noticed, a has an exponent, we're going to convert this exponent into a radical. So I like to say bottoms up. You take this bottom number, move it up. So the 2 stays. The denominator moves up and it becomes the index. So that's why I say bottoms up. And that's all we're doing, that's it. So let's do another example. X to the 3/4 power. So you take the bottom of the fraction, move it up, bottoms up. So it's going to stay x cubed, and the 4 moves up to the index. That's it. We started from exponential form where we had an exponent, and now it's in radical form. That's all we're doing with this. And we can also go in the other direction. This is radical form. We're going to write it in exponential form. So we're just doing the opposite. We're taking this index and we're moving it back. So it's going to be x to the 4/3 power. That's it. Let's do another example. The square root of x cubed. Remember that if there is no number there, what's that number? 2, because it's a square root. So remember, if you don't see a number there, there is a number there, it's a 2, because it's a square root. So we're going to move that number back. So it's x to the 3/2 power. That's it.